don't know how, and I don't know why, but my laptop is broken again.
Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi, I'm going to go get a spray tan now. Or well, first I'm gonna go get my nails done with my friend. Then we're both gonna go get spray tans. And then tomorrow I'll get my eyelashes done. So this is a very extended semi get ready with me video because our semi-formal is on Friday. But yeah, that is where I'm off to. So this is step one.
Walking down the boulevard, she got the posture of a superstar.
Okay, hey. I just showed a clip of me, or maybe it was a picture, before I showered my spray tan off. Now it's off. I feel like it looks pretty good. I mean, I've been going to this woman since freshman year of college, but like it kind of looks crazy though, because I'm never this tan. So yeah, basically this is my post-spray tan color, which I really enjoy. It's never like orange, I don't think so at least. Got my spray tan yesterday. Nails, I ended up doing just nude. Yeah, just did nude nails. Right now I am rushing to class because I was taking care of the dogs this morning.
Goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's
Hey, relax. And you know how that is. It's woo, crazy times. So after that wild morning, I was running a little bit behind, but it is what it is. Here I am now. I think I'll be fine. One of my classes later was canceled today, so that's when I'll do my eyelashes. I don't know how much of that I can show, but I will try my best. Okay, so I just had class and I am now going to go get my eyelashes done. It is freezing and raining. Like, this is the before.
All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no one.
So here is the after of the lashes. So natural. So yeah, I really love how she does them. They're not too thick, they're not over the top. And now I'm headed to Trader Joe's. I need to pick up a few things. Today I went to a coffee shop, sat and edited a couple videos that had to be done today. One of them is actually my first YouTube sponsorship collaboration, so that's pretty exciting. We're moving up, folks. And then I will probably talk to you guys tomorrow when I'm getting ready for semi and try to show you as much as I can, my hair, outfit, makeup, all of that. Okay, so I just hopped out of the shower and my hair actually was dry and clean from this morning. So sometimes when I curl it, I don't need it to be, you know, super duper clean, like fresh out of the shower, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it up and start doing my makeup. It is 5 o'clock right now. I don't need to be ready for another 2 hours, but I would rather just be ready early, be able to make myself dinner and chill out before. So starting a little bit early, but yeah, let's just get right into this. So I'm probably just gonna do my hair last and not have to worry about it right now. Starting off, I'm going to just prep my skin. I just rinsed it and cleaned it in the shower, and now I'm going to put a nice base on. I'm going to start with just some of my vitamin C oil because my skin does feel super dry right now. So I'm going to be using just like a NARS Radiance Enhancing Primer. So now that I have that primer on, go ahead and go in with my darker foundation because I just got my spray tan. I'm going to use this weird sponge thing. Yeah, lately I've been feeling a little sick the past few days. I don't know if it's because I've been staying up late to study maybe and just not getting enough sleep, but I don't know, I feel like I have just like a little cold. It's not necessarily anything intense like the flu, but I actually Googled what should I get at Starbucks if I'm not feeling well? And there's this drink called the medicine ball, which I've never even heard of. And I had one yesterday. I'm not kidding. And within the hour, I immediately felt better. I don't know what it is about it. Water, a little bit of lemonade, 2 different tea bags, one's ginger, and then they add honey and peppermint to it. And it's big. It's like a venti. And it's only $2.89 or something. It's really not expensive.
Everyone's
Once I add everything, it's gonna blend out well. I'm kind of worried my hair is gonna crimp weirdly. It just really, okay. Anyway, I just started using this like Age Rewind concealer again, and I love it. It's so nice. It actually is just really bright, and it doesn't have any weird like coloring to it, you know? And I just use this for, I'll come a little closer, sorry. I just use this for my under eyes, so I just pop it right under there, and then I go in a little bit on the sides here. Just to start to contour that a little bit. So I'll use it as a brightener, but not necessarily to cover like blemishes, you know? Also, I am going a little extra because it's summy, so, you know who I feel like in this shirt? And this hair even, I feel like, Princess Diaries 1, the mom. Mia's mom. Like, I feel like I could like throw the balloons at the wall or something. So yeah, just brighten everything up. I'll also go in and go under the cheek just a little. Taking this little Drunk Elephant bronzing serum, and I'm just going to pop that kind of all over. It's a lot more opaque than it looks. Is that the word? I always think opaque means sheer, but I don't think it does. I kind of forgot to do these really dark ones. You just want to like gently tap the concealer over it. In my opinion, it'd be better to have a little bit of a light spot than a dark one. That kind of all the creams are done, so now I'm going to do a little bit of powder under my eyes as well. But yeah, this has been a week. I think coming back from Thanksgiving, I was so like chilled, like I wasn't stressed about anything. I didn't know what was happening, and now that I'm back, I'm like, oh my gosh, there's so much going on. I mean, it's Thursday, so this is kind of the end of the chaos, not really. And this is honestly a nice little way to end the week. There's like a Christmas themed party tomorrow, which will be fun. And then next week I'll go back to Charlotte, go home, and start working again just to make a little money while I'm home for break. I'm kind of putting this powder everywhere, but you kind of can't go wrong with like this step, you know? A lot of people do their eyeshadow first. It is so their makeup isn't just sitting on their face, but that's kind of why I use this like water spray. So actually now I'm going to move on to eyebrows. So I just kind of brushed through my eyebrows a little bit, and now I don't always darken them because I have such light hair, but my roots are in need of help right now. So I'm just gonna darken like right there. Will you still be here? So then I use that side to like diffuse it a little. And then since this has been sitting for a second, I am just gonna keep spraying it with that water. So next for the eyes, I'm going to prime them a little bit. I've honestly been trying to be a little more adventurous lately with eyeshadow, but I don't think I should be. Like, I don't know if it's my thing. Like, I don't know if it's because I have brown eyes, so like I should just do neutral shadows and not get crazy, but I think the most wild I should go is like purple. I'm going to use this palette, it's a little mini Vise Art palette. It's so pretty. I got it from Sephora last Christmas, 2 years ago. Start with that first color all over, and then I'm gonna mix these two. Darker, kind of just on the outside edge. And then I'll take that lighter color again. Also, this is another thing. I have a really out there dress. It's like blue, kind of teal, sparkly, and I feel like I just have to have really neutral hair and makeup. I have to remember to not get carried away. Right now I have 3 videos that are already filmed, but I just like, not like I don't have time for it to edit, but it's like when you're a student, it's so hard, especially during like finals week, and just it's a really busy weekend. There's a lot going on. Also, especially when your laptop breaks again. Hi. But basically, my laptop broke again. I don't know how, and I don't know why, but my laptop is broken again. I was just studying innocently, doing my own thing, whatever, and it goes black and dies. So I just threw in some chapstick because my lips were very chapped. I don't know if I want to leave this matte or add some sparkles just to lighten everything up. Ow. Yeah, I added a little glitter in, and now I'm going to pop some eyeliner on, which is also a difficult part. So I'm gonna use this little Stila guy, and I don't think I can show it because it's too difficult, but it's nothing we don't all know, you know? So yeah, I can't really show this part, but I will do it and then come back. Hey, not bad. Not too bad. So that is the eyeliner done. Now I'm just going to pop a little mascara on the bottom. That just like balances it out a lot, and yeah, because I do have eyelash extensions, I always need to remember to put mascara on the bottom. Okay, so I just threw on a little bronzer, and now I'm gonna do blush. I actually really like how I did my makeup today, like very simple with a little more like a dramatic wing. Threw on this new blush. I got it Black Friday, and it's just Bare Minerals, like kind of a darker one for winter and fall. I love that, so. It just makes you look so much more alive, you know? But yeah, basically I'm going to do my hair, and I will check back in when that is done.
Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na.
Okay, yeah, so I just finished my hair. It's really like loose, a little bit cash, and I brushed out my curls and put dry shampoo in them. That's why they're huge. But yeah, now I'm going to throw my dress on and go meet up with some friends and stuff. So this is the finished look, hair and makeup wise. Nothing crazy. Again, it's just kind of natural because I have a crazy dress, so.
Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na.